welcome to the 2025 Black Forest Putt Putt season. We're excited to have you back. We got some old teams, some new teams. This video is to quickly describe the new game. This is the mandatory game 3. So if your match goes 3 games, 1 ball, 2 ball, the third game is now called black ball. So we're going to describe in this video how to play it. The black ball is a universal ball with unique properties. So it's basically a single ball game with a universal black ball that both teams can use. This dot marked on the floor is where the black ball will start the game for each team. That is where it will start, and this is also considered the drop zone if the ball leaves the black ball zones. The black ball zones are defined by these 2 black lines, here and here. The black lines are tennis lines. So if the black ball is touching any part of the line, it is still considered in play. Okay? If the black ball leaves the zone, either to this side or this side of the line, it immediately comes back to where the ball started. Okay, so where the ball started is also the drop zone. If the ball goes out of bounds on hole 3, behind the hole, and again, if it leaves the zones here or the zone here, and we're going to reiterate, it comes back to where the ball started. If the ball goes out of bounds into the water on hole 2, there's a separate drop zone, which is only if the ball goes out of bounds on hole 2. So a reminder, guys, the black ball game is a single ball game with a universal black ball for both teams. The object is to get your ball into 3 holes as in a single ball game. The black ball does not go into any hole. If it does, it is then considered OB and comes out to the drop zone. All right, so here we are for the start of the game. The black ball is in the drop zone where it starts the beginning of the game, and I'm going to hit my approach shot in. Since I hit the black ball on my initial shot, it is still my turn. Okay, so in this scenario, this explains kind of what the black ball does. Again, it is a community ball. In this situation, this is my ball, this is the black ball, this is my opponent's ball. I have 3 opportunities right now to get another turn. First opportunity is if I were to hit my ball into the black ball. I get another turn. Second opportunity is if I hit the black ball into my ball. I would get another turn. The third opportunity is if I hit the black ball into my opponent's ball, you would get another turn. Keep in mind, you still only get 3 consecutive hits, and on the 4th hit, your turn is then over.
Am I still allowed to hit my ball into my opponent's ball?
Yes. Okay, so this is an example of the black ball leaving the zone. I am going to hit, hopefully, the black ball out with my ball, out of the black ball zone. The black ball immediately comes back to the drop zone, and it is still my turn as long as I have not used my allotment of hits. So then I could actually take the black ball and hit my opponent's ball. If I were to hit it, get another turn. Okay, so this is an example of the penalty hazard on 2. If I am trying to hit my opponent's ball with the black ball, and the black ball goes OB, okay, it immediately comes to the drop zone on 2. So it now is on the platform until you either hit it off, or your opponent hits it off, or you hit it off with another ball. Okay, so we often see situations when you're playing your own ball where the ball gets wedged into that corner or anywhere else along the walls. To get the black ball out, it must be hit. You cannot pick the black ball up as unplayable. The only time the black ball is picked up with your hand is if it leaves the zones or goes into either of the water hazards. Okay guys, it's pretty easy if you think about it. Once you get used to it, it'll be fun. We understand there will be a learning curve. But in summary, black ball is just a single ball game with a community ball for both teams. The ball has unique properties and it must stay in the zone at all times.
Have fun, everybody.